Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. In this video you will see how to crochet amazing flower that consists of 4 rounds only with seed beads. For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 7. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Pull it. Make 12 half double crochet into the ring. I will crochet half double crochet with seed bead. Make a chain, then chain more. I take seed beads, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the ring, make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 12 half double crochet with seed bead. As you can see, while making my half double crochet, I am removing a long piece of yarn. Here what I have. I am done 12 half double crochet with seed bead. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first half double crochet. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. For this, make a chain. Insert the hook into the same half double crochet. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the next half double crochet. Make single crochet. And make picot with seed beads. Take seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I count 12 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull up the working loop. Yarn over the hook. Take the working yarn, pull it through. And pull it. My picot is ready. I am making this picot on the top of the single crochet. My picot consists of 12 seed beads. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Take the working yarn, pull it through. My working loop is ready. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make 2 single crochet. 1, 2, then single crochet into the next stitch. Let's count 12 seed beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 take the working yarn, pull it through like this. This second picot is ready. Insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, make 2 single crochet, 1 2, then pull up a loop, then make single crochet with picot. Then you should alternate with 2 single crochet and single crochet with picot till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 such picots. Once I have done all 6 picots, here what I have at this point. As you can see, I got my working loop, and to complete this round, this is round 2. For this, I skip this slip stitch, then I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch that I worked single crochet into, make single crochet. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Here what I have at this point. Let's crochet round 3. For this, make a chain, insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, continue, then chain of 8 for the chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Insert the hook between 6th and 7th bead. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 and make single crochet, then chain of 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Make single crochet into the stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, then single crochet into the next stitch. Then chain of 8 for the chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6. After, insert the hook between 6 and 7th, make single crochet, chain of 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 2 stitches, make single crochet into the first stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 such petals. Once I have done all chain spaces, and now I show you how to complete my round. This is round 3. Once I have done 8 chains, insert the hook into the single crochet, insert the hook into the single crochet. I did it at the end of the round. This is the previous round. Make single crochet into the stitch. I skip the chain stitch, Insert the hook into the stitch and make slip stitch into the single crochet. All my 6 bases are ready. My round 3 is ready. Here how it looks when I'm ready. Let's crochet round 4. It is going to be a round of stitches. Here what I have. Let's crochet the last round of my flower. Make a chain. Make single crochet into the chain space. Half double crochet. Make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. Make 3 double crochet into the single crochet. And I will make a picot on the middle of this double crochet. 1, 2, then chain of 3 for the picot, and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the double crochet. Then double crochet into the same stitch. Once I have done 3 double crochet, and on the top, on the middle of these 3, I am done picot. I'm making the same way as I did on the opposite side. Make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then half double crochet and single crochet. My first petal is ready, and let's stop here and look. My cute trim is ready for the first petal. Then I will show you how to crochet the trim for the second petal, and you should continue working with your own. I will start and you should continue working with your own. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make single crochet, then half double crochet, 8 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. Then 3 double crochet with picot. You should continue working the same way as I showed you before. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete my flower. Let's complete this round with me. Once I have done all my petals, now I show you how to complete my flower. Once I have done single crochet, I insert the hook into the single crochet that I did at the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn. I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project using the sewing needle or crochet hook. It depends on the stuff that you have. And also you can add a bead to the center of the flower. And let's look what I have done. That's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I'm done. My cute flower consists of 6 petals. For each petal I'm using 12 seed beads, and my flower consists of 4 rounds. This is the back side of the flower. This is my personal project I created recently for you. You can use leftovers if you don't have a lot of yarn, and different colors of beads. Here how it looks in white color of yarn and with colorful beads. And write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. You can combine this project with leaves or branch and you will get amazing composition. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting and bye!